Hi guys, picked this one up in a charity shop. Another jigsaw obviously, 99p. I bought it for novelty value. It's a map. It's the European Economic Community, the EEC. It's got current relevance because we're talking about Brexit at the moment. What can we tell you? 50.5 by 34.5 centimeters, 280 pieces. Looks like it was made in Italy actually. MB Italy. 1983 on it. Oh, on there, 1988. MB International. Looks like it's made in several different places. Oh, made in Holland there. Well, looks like they've put lots of different languages on it. Right, well that's a good start. That looks like somebody's separated out the edge pieces. It's actually a bit late at night to start this. I got delayed. I might just have a quick look at the edge pieces and then we can finish it tomorrow. It's 1:15 in the morning at the moment. Friday the 17th of January. done. $1988 on there. $1983 on there. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.